today I received the package I was waiting for 2 weeks. It's my iPhone X, my brand new iPhone X. I sold my old iPhone friend, so I can purchase this one. So it's gonna be early Christmas for me. Yeah, alright. Let's take a look. My birthday's next month, so it's a brand new iPhone X as a gift from me to me. Yeah. They definitely seal these boxes really tight. Probably for security reasons. You don't want to, like lose the package or something inside the box. So let's okay. You know what it is? There's a Bible. Maybe I mix something up, but I see the box of my brand new iPhone. Gonna take a moment. I'm excited. I usually don't get excited that much, but I've been waiting for this phone. Smells like heaven. This is how heaven smells. If you go to heaven, this is the smell that's gonna be up there. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's under this one. Maybe it's under the box. Oh, God. This is my Walkie Talkie X. Oh, shit. Stop recording.